But before they can positively ID the vehicle, they have a few questions for Smith.
He's a tough character. He had been in trouble in the past. So we were going to try to fight him to see what kind of information we can get.
Smith says the white Explorer has nothing to do with him. His friend John Huggins brought it over.
It could have been a stolen vehicle as far as he's concerned, and he wasn't going to turn his friend into over a stolen vehicle.
Now there are two people pointed to Huggins. One is a scorned ex-lover, and the other has a criminal record.
He is a less successful person.
Smith is eager to prove he isn't lying, and has something to show the detectives.
The radar detector was left at Kevin's home. It had been cut out of the vehicle, essentially, and he became worried that it was tied to a crime and had later thrown it in the woods.
It matches a custom-installed radar detector